Imagine posting 60-second product review without filming anything, without showing your face, and still getting traffic that actually buys. Sounds crazy, right? Let me show you the tool that does it all in one click. Today, I'm reviewing AI ReviewShorts, a tool that turns any product link into a full product demo and review video in under minutes. And yes, it's completely faceless. Here, how it's work. You pass the product link and the AI create everything, the script, the visuals, the voiceover, and the caption. It's built a completely 60-second review video ready for shorts, TikTok, and Reels automatically. Now, what makes it different from other AI tools? It's simple. This AI tool focuses on buyer's intent. Beside on remind views, it's create video for people already searching for product review, people who are ready to buy. It's perfect for affiliate marketer, beginners, YouTubers, and e-com sellers who want to fast product demo without recording anything. Here, what I personally like the most. It's 100% faceless. It's super beginner friendly. Just pass to the link and AI generate everything. It's auto optimize your title and tags so your video rank faster. It's make video in multiple languages for global reach. And the best part, it's no monthly fees, it's one-time payment. Creators use this strategy are getting millions of views from simple 30 and 60 seconds product review. It's format that rank and go viral. If you want a tool to actually helps you to grow in not just create more noise, AI ReviewShorts honestly is one of the best AI tool do that. If you want to try it for yourself, the link in my description. Go make your first review shorts. In totally take 60 seconds. See you the next one.
Capturing stunning 4K videos and photos effortlessly. But maybe you faced frustration with heavy, complicated drones that don't deliver. Enter the DJI Mini RC drone, your lightweight, intelligent flying companion that's perfect for everyone. With easy navigation and smart flight modes, it turns your creative vision into reality. Experience clarity like never before and explore the skies with confidence.